Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I'm here to talk to you all about the Olaplex No. 3 hair treatment. This is a treatment that I use to keep my hair looking its best at home after salon services. It helps to repair damaged hair, and I'm going to tell you all about this product, exactly what it's used for, and I'm going to show you exactly how I use it on my hair to keep my hair looking its best. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Please subscribe before you leave. I upload every single week on my channel, and if you're interested in finding out exactly what Olaplex is, how I use it, and what I think about it, then definitely keep watching. Olaplex is actually a 3-step system that can be used during salon services, and also of course the No. 3 product that can be used at home. But what the Olaplex system actually does is it helps to restore hair that's been compromised or damaged by chemical, thermal, or mechanical damage. So from getting your hair colored or using heat tools or basically anything that can damage the hair, this really helps to restore the broken bonds in the hair and restore your hair back to its healthiest state possible. And I've seen a drastic difference in my hair by using the No. 3 product at home. I'm going to tell you exactly what this whole system does step by step, so that way when you go to have your next salon service, you can ask your stylist if they offer this Olaplex treatment. It's really going to help the integrity of your hair, especially if you're doing any type of coloring service. Step number 1 is the bond multiplier. This concentrated first salon step rebuilds broken bonds and begins the process of preventing damage and repairing the hair. So this is the product they actually mix with your chemical service. So if you're using bleach to lighten the hair, this is something that they would put in with that product. Step number 2 is the Bond Perfector, and this product is the second step, and it continues to rebuild and restore any remaining broken bonds, ensuring the strongest, shiniest, and healthiest hair possible. This is a product that they still use in the salon, and they use it after they have shampooed your color treatment out of your hair. They put this on and they leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes and then wash that out as well. And then we come to the No. 3 step, which is the Hair Perfector, and this is the lasting protection at home. This final step provides protection from ongoing damage at home. So this really just helps to protect the hair so much. This isn't a deep conditioner. This is actually a repairing product to use to repair the hair. I deep condition every single week, so I just add this into the rotation of my deep conditioners, and I've definitely seen a big difference in the integrity of my hair and just the health of my hair in general. I always feel like this kind of brings life back to my hair. Now I'm going to show you exactly how I use this treatment on my hair.
So for this treatment, you actually do not wash your hair for this. You just want to dampen your hair before applying the product. And as you can see, I use a pretty generous amount of this. I want to make sure that all of my hair is completely saturated. I just basically split my hair into 2 sections, and depending on how thick your hair is, you may want to section it off even more just to make sure that every single piece of your hair is getting some of that product on it. I also like to go through with my wet comb and detangle while this product is on my hair. And even though my hair hasn't been cleansed or conditioned yet, this treatment provides a really great slip, and it helps to detangle the hair super easily. Once you've had everything saturated and you've detangled, you can also put your hair in twist, or you can braid it while you let it sit in the hair. I let it sit in my hair for about 30 minutes. I like to just twist my hair up in a bun because it's just easier that way for me to just keep everything out of my face, and then I'll just take a little clip and clip it away. I also like to use heat anytime I use this type of treatment or a deep conditioner because I do have low porosity hair, so it's hard for my hair to accept moisture, so I really need to add that extra heat to open up the hair follicle so that the treatment can do its best work. So I just use my Hothead by Thermal Hair Care for that.
So here's the final results from using the Olaplex treatment. I also did go through my normal styling routine. I love the way my hair feels and looks after using this treatment. It just really helps to add life to the hair. It gives my hair some extra bounce and extra shine. I I did review some new curly hair products, so that is what I used on my hair today. I actually used the Mielle Organics line. So if you want to see that review, I'll leave it linked in the description box below. If you are someone that has damaged hair in any way, shape, or form, if you use color on your hair, if you bleach your hair, if you lighten your hair, anything like that, I would highly recommend you try to have the Olaplex system done. But if you don't have the Olaplex system at your salon, definitely try to get the number 3 product to use at home, because it really does make a huge difference. If you've tried out this product, I would definitely love to hear from you in the comments below and let me know what you think about it and how it has helped your hair. And thank you so much for stopping by and tuning into my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.